Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Can think of the Agapanthus, also known as African Lily, as slightly one-hit wonders that they're just going to do the one set of flowers each year and that's that. Not necessarily though. We've got one here called Summer Love Blue, which has a reputation for good repeat flowering. So to help that along, you need to make sure you take out the old bits. So all the colour's gone from that, that is done. And all we have to do from that is take it right down to base. And what we're aiming to do is take off the flowers before they get to the point of forming seeds, because once they form seeds, they're unlikely to flower again. Because what they really want to do is drop the seeds, make babies, and then they're done for the year. So if we cut off the flowers before that happens, then that encourages them to have another go at flowering. That one hasn't got much to it. A lot of these, it depends how frequently you want to come out in the garden. If it's something you're just doing of a weekend, then probably something like that, that's definitely going to look awful by next weekend. So we're taking it out now. If you're very keen and you like to come out every night, of course you can be a bit more generous on how long you leave things.